Okay. This is one of the things we don't really, okay. So this is a kind of a hard thing for me to teach. Okay. Do you want all clients? Okay, we kind of alluded to it. People say, yeah, I'll take everybody that wants to come. Okay, so that's great. But we specialized in clients that were affluent. So we spent 100% of our resources marketing clients that were affluent through their mortgage brokers, real estate agents, offices, everything. We market with magazine publications, we marketed to the affluent. All right. If you were willing to pay our price, of course we would take you. Okay. But we didn't spend any money getting you. Okay. So by asking this question, if you specialize in log homes like Rich did, when I mentioned him before on a call, then you really want to make sure that your website does this, and this for log home buyers. But if you want to specialize in people that are purchasing in a certain geographic location within your community, couldn't you use your website to focus them?
Sure, yeah.
You can use your website to get your ideal clients. But I guess the first thing you have to do is say, who's my ideal client?
Mhm.
But then once you understand that target audience, it's way easier to start grabbing it, right? Because you
Yeah.
know you can learn what their fears and concerns are, what their problems are, all the whole thing that we start doing in market research. So if you have a group of clients that what you call your ideal clients, then maybe what you're looking for is people that are and Jim Davis always had a good slogan about this. He's got your first time home buyers, then he's got your move up home buyers, then he's got your expert home buyers. Okay, and so move up is just somebody who's bought a house before and they've got a little equity and they're moving on up. Family's gotten bigger, whatever. That wasn't his target. His target was expert home buyers. And all of the content that he wrote around that website that we did was for that expert home buyer. Okay, the videos that you'd offer were different, right? The content would be different. Okay, they bought more than one home. They know quality varies greatly. They know price is less of a determinant of success with the home inspector. Okay, so if somebody's $10 cheaper, they ain't choosing them. Okay, so you can attract the right client on a converting website once you understand what the right client is. So sure, can you attract everybody? Yeah, but do you specialize in something in your community? If you do, let this website work for you.
Mhm.
Okay, so I mean, if you're in a small market, Brandon, like you guys are, I
Yeah.
mean, your ideal client is potato farmers. Okay, so you have some, but not really enough, right?
Yeah.
No, no, no. But one of the things that you could do is you could focus on the group with the same religion that you have, or if you're in a big community, the same university you went to.
Mhm.
Okay, so and you wouldn't have to do that in general. You could do it through specialty landing pages, whatever query they typed in, that could come up for them to see. So there's a lot of things that you can do with a converting website. But the fact of the matter is, once your target audience lands those eyeballs on it, then guess what? It better have those elements.
Yeah.
It better have those elements. Otherwise, you lose. Okay. The top of the hour has since gone, and I know you got a coaching thing you got to get to with the kids. That's awesome.
Mhm.
So I'm going to say anything else, Beth, anything?
For me, this is, I'm just really passionate about this one because it is so important, especially in today's world where people are looking online. If you're not online in the future, you're just not going to exist.
Yeah, no question about it. I mean, there's no question about it. I mean, people that on that Facebook page that you were on and said, "Oh, you don't need no website." I'm like, "Oh, one of two things: either they really believe that, and I'm sorry for them, or secondly, they're trying to throw their competitor off
Yeah.
by not having a website." So, okay, well, the thing I'm really thankful for tonight is the power didn't go off. So that's
My one thing I would say about this whole call, the website is so very important. But when you discuss the videos that go along with it, I mean, that's so powerful. I mean, I talk to all clients about that, producing videos, just like Brandon said about producing services videos and producing the videos that introduce him and his inspectors to their client. that is powerful also. So video is very powerful.
If you don't believe it, look at YouTube.
Yeah, really.
And that's only one of the major platforms. I mean, there's platforms now popping up right and left, Daily Motion, Rumble, the list goes on and on. So people understand the value of it, and it's really good for complex topics where somebody can't understand it. Service pages, great videos explain what it is. What is a sewer scope? Okay. And, what is this? What is that? And if you're in an area, and I know that for a fact that there are areas that they have a lot of aluminum wiring, why wouldn't you have a video right on your website addressing aluminum wiring under the electrical section? So just a lot of great information can be conveyed simply and easily via video. Radon sales, pool and spa sales. What are you doing? How do you do it? Why does it make a difference to the consumer? So if you do leak testing as opposed to no leak testing, all kind of great things you can do to get more sales. But it begins with, the customer has to understand what's in it for them to choose your firm. If they don't understand that, then they won't choose your firm. But most home inspectors can't really say, if I'll say to you, what are the 3 most important facts about your firm that makes you more powerful than everybody else in your marketplace? They can't tell me. They can't tell me. And that's sad. That's very sad. So I think everybody should look at it. So homework, we talked about it at the very beginning. Look at everybody else's website. If they don't have these 9 elements, shame on them. If you don't have these 9 elements, get Beth on the phone at the Home Inspector Help and speakwithbeth.com. Here's the way you can contact us right here. You can start a conversation. We're not here to sell you anything. We're here to talk to you just like we're talking to you tonight. So just go to speakwithbeth.com, set up an appointment on her schedule, let her talk to you about whatever you got on your mind, okay? Brandon and I are out hustling, doing these things, trying to get videos because we look pretty, and so we're trying to get out there and get these videos done. While
Mhm.
Beth is back slaving at the office, trying to
that's
talk
me.
to everybody.
That's me.
You're liable to talk to our two friends, the directors of security, Cooper and Sadie as well.
Yeah, right.
So, okay. Everybody, thank you for being on the call. If you listen to
Yeah.
it later, we got some other resources underneath this call. I think that'll help you, links to stories and some other things that'll be interesting for you. Okay, Dill, thanks for being on. I hope we didn't give you too many edits tonight.
Okay.
All right, guys. Everybody have a great evening.
See you guys.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye now.
Later.